What's up, everybody? Your boy Jay out here on the river catching them shad, man. They're running thick, man. They're everywhere. So yeah, we cut up some of that shad. JJ just had a big takedown on his rod, and I'm about to get mine out right now. Let's see what we could get. Got a nice one here, guys. JJ just lost his pole. I hooked it, and he had a catfish, and the catfish was still on there. Beautiful day on the river, though. Got another one, guys. Another nice channel cat. Not bad at all out here on the river. Goodness gracious, and things